Guys, we're back with another video, and tonight we're making some tin mackerel. And the only thing I'm using is onion, some hot pepper, and garlic. That's it. And I'm also going to use some olive oil. So I turn the heat on low because we can't add the pot too much when we're using olive oil. Then we're going to add a little to the pot. I'll just say a little. And then I don't want too much. So I make some tin mackerel. I'm not bother putting all the foundation. I'm just put onion and hot pepper. So I'm gonna half an onion. I think half an onion. What? Half a large onion. We should be equal to half of a medium onion. Some pepper. And let this hot. Along with the pepper seed. And this come like it lip. With the girl carry on go. Cannot look too right. At all. Alright, so we're gonna add onion, pepper, and garlic to the pot. Pepper seed and all. So, I bust that tin mackerel. And we're going to flash it out. That's why this big can't come out. Come on. Yuck. And save the tin, guys, because we're going to rinse it out. Alright, so just use a knife. Open up your mackerel and take out whatever you don't want out of it. Alright, so this is a big mackerel, so the bone them big, so I would advise you guys to take the bone out. Open out the other one. Put it on the angle here. You can see? I hope so. I'll just take out the bone from the middle. Alright. So we're going to start with vegetable. until you start to some of them are get, you know, some little brown edges on it. Then you can go, you know, and add the mackerel. Ow! Jesus Christ. Hot burn me. And this just depends on how you like a mackerel. If you like it chunky or you like it small. You just go in and do that. Just combine everything. Somebody has to show baked bean in it, so I'm gonna add some baked bean. Also, I'm gonna use some of the bush baked bean. I imagine I have to open this big old tin of baked bean just to get liquor because I'm only using a small amount. So I'm gonna add some ketchup to it, only because my daughter like ketchup. I think ketchup go well with food, but not my business now. Guys, if you don't trust me to do anything else, you see anything I add ketchup to, add a little sugar. Alright? And that will just balance the taste of the ketchup and just elevate that dish from 0 to 100. Alright, so we're going with some black pepper. A little teeny cute container. Alright, some black pepper. Alright, then we're going to use some hot water. Pour some in our mackerel container. Alright, circle that so I rinse the thing. Alright, and pour it in. And then just go in and combine everything. And why I really put the ketchup in the baked bean kind of a white look. So ketchup are gonna bring back some color to it. If I was making this for me, I would skip the ketchup. I would also skip the baked bean, but I would skip the ketchup and just go in just as is. So alright, so now I'm just gonna cover that and just eat like a minute or two, and then we'll come back. And then you're gonna have this. It's 2 minutes after.